When you buy a food processor just because it's cheap, you usually run into problems. The motor overheats, the blades jam, and it struggles with anything tougher than a soft tomato. That's exactly why I've handpicked the 3 best food processors that actually perform and are perfect for US kitchen. Before buying a food processor, there are a few things you need to consider so you don't waste your money. Let's start with where most people go wrong. Mistake number 1, choosing based on size alone. Bigger sounds better, but large processors take up space and aren't ideal for small daily tasks. Choose based on how often and how much you actually cook. Mistake number 2, ignoring motor power. This is one of the biggest issues. Low power models struggle with tough ingredients like nuts, dough, or hard vegetables. A stronger motor equals smoother, faster results. Mistake number 3, overpaying for attachments you won't use. Many models come with multiple blades and tools, but most people only use 2 or 3 regularly. More attachments doesn't always mean better value. Mistake number 4, not thinking about cleaning. This is where many buyers regret their choice. Too many parts equals more effort to clean. If it's annoying to clean, you'll stop using it. Mistake number 5, choosing complicated controls. Some processors come with too many settings. In reality, simple controls are often faster and easier for daily use. Mistake number 6, ignoring build quality. Cheap plastic and loose parts can wear out quickly. A solid build makes a big difference over time. So instead of focusing on brand or price, focus on what actually matters. The right size for your needs, enough power for your use, easy cleaning and usability, and practical, not excessive features. Based on these factors, we've picked 3 food processors that you'll find in the description. Number 3, best large capacity food processor. The Li-Inkchef is a food processor for meal prep built to replace multiple kitchen tools. It features a 700 watts motor, 68 ounce bowl, and 4 smart preset programs. This handles chopping, slicing, shredding, pureeing, dough mixing, and meat grinding in one setup. Unlike smaller processors, the 68 ounce capacity is perfect for family-sized prep. You also get 3 speed settings for better control while making salsa, dough, or shredded cheese. But wait, the stainless steel blades and reversible discs add even more versatility. Cleanup stays simple with dishwasher-safe BPA-free parts. Customers love this product and find it pretty good. Best for families wanting a powerful all-in-one food processor. Downside? Larger size needs more counter space. Check the latest price in the description. Number 2, best everyday food processor. The second spot goes to the Cuisinart Pro Custom 11, one of the best food processors for home kitchen. It features 625 watts power, an 11-cup bowl, and dishwasher-safe parts. Sounds simple? Here's why people still love it. This processor handles chopping, slicing, mixing, and pureeing with consistent results. This one focuses more on balanced everyday performance and reliability. The 11-cup capacity works great for meal prep, dough, and vegetables. But wait, the sturdy design and safe locking cover make food prep cleaner and easier. It's built for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Customers find this food processor powerful, versatile, and very fast for slicing and chopping. Best for anyone wanting the food processor for everyday cooking. Downside? Cleaning and assembly feel tricky for some users. Check the latest price in the description. Number 1, best powerful food processor. But here's where things level up. The Ninja Professional Plus is a high-power food processor for fast meal prep. It features a 1000 peak watt motor, 9-cup bowl, and 4 Auto IQ programs. Sounds powerful already? Here's the twist. The one-touch Auto IQ controls simplify chopping, slicing, purees, and dough making. No guesswork. Unlike number 2, this one delivers more power for tougher ingredients and larger batches. The precision stainless steel blades keep cuts smooth and consistent. But wait, the included dough blade is perfect for pizza and bread prep. Cleanup stays easy with dishwasher-safe BPA-free parts. Customers appreciate its strong motor, slicing performance, and easy cleaning. Downside? Some users report bowl durability issues. Best for families wanting the powerful food processor for meal prep. All the best purchase links are in the description. Do check this video on the best air fryers for US kitchen.